how to give Robux to friends. So let's get started. The best way to give someone Robux is through a Roblox gift card. You can purchase it from your preferred local store on the Roblox gift card shopping page. To buy, all you have to do is once on the store page, select the off friend option, write the recipient's name and your name, and select the card type. Now select the card's physical or digital version. The digital version will help you get Robux faster. After that, select the card's design and decide how much Robux you want to give. Now type in the recipient's email in the box along and confirm the date of delivery. Finally, select the preferred purchase method and click on Place My Order. Once you send the gift card to someone, they will have to redeem the code that arrives with it. You can redeem a Roblox gift card from the Roblox redeem page for the Robux. Once done, the gifted Robux amount will appear on the account of the redeemer. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.